Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to transform your plain ornaments into beautiful and elegant pieces for your Christmas tree using dollar store items and things that you might already have in your home. So if you would like to know how to transform your ornaments from plain into beautiful, then please keep on watching. Alright everyone, so let's get started. So we're going to be using this diamond wrap in the shade gold that we bought at the dollar store, along with this variety of green glass beads, and we're going to pour it in a tray just to keep it organized. We're going to take some Mod Podge and dip our brush and then start to paint the Mod Podge along the rim of the ornament, covering it as evenly as possible. Then we're going to scoop up some of the glass beads and we're going to start to pour it everywhere that we applied the Mod Podge. And we're going to try to cover it as evenly as possible and have a nice layer of beads. We're going to tap off the excess. And then this is what it should look like. Really beautiful. Next, we're going to put some of those same glass beads into a small Ziploc bag. Grabbing our Mod Podge and our paintbrush, we're going to paint the very tip of the ornament and then dip it inside of the Ziploc bag with the beads. And it's going to cover that tip with the beads. Next, we're going to grab our glue gun and some of that diamond wrap and we're going to place it along the edge of each groove. And as you can see, we cut the bead wrap into small strips and we're just going to simply apply it on the grooves to give a golden decorative flare. We're going to apply some more Mod Podge to the first layer of beads, but not covering it entirely this time. Then we're going to scoop up some gold glitter and then we're going to pour it where we just applied Mod Podge and then tapping off the excess. Then this is what it should look like right here. It is so beautiful and catches the light really, really beautifully. We're going to do the same on these longer ornaments. We're going to apply some of the diamond wrap along the center. Super simple, guys, to transform any plain ornaments and make them brand new. I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Bye.